Watch your man, then you should watch your mouth. Bitches is pressed, administer mouth to mouth. You see them stats? You know what I am about? I am the champ.
So hey guys, my name is MinajRunBelize. I post videos every Monday and every Friday at 6. And for all you new subscribers and all you new viewers, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and be notified every time I post a new video. And also click on the alarm button, as I said, to get notified. So enough talking, let's jump right into the video. Okay guys, so the first thing I'll be doing is I'll be moisturizing my face with the Moisture Primer by Maybelline. And I'm just gonna take a little bit of that primer. I'm just gonna take a little bit of that primer and I'm just gonna put it on in my T-zone. So guys, after applying my primer, I'm gonna take some of my setting spray. It's kind of dirty, but don't mind it. This is just going to help the makeup apply much more beautiful and much more natural. Before I apply my foundation, I'm gonna do my eyes, then I'm gonna do the foundation, then my eyebrows. So yeah, let's do these eyes. Okay guys, so today we'll be doing a quick glam look. It's nothing difficult, it's very easy. So the first thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna conceal my eyes. I'm gonna start with my eyes, then my foundation, then my eyebrows, and we're done. So I'm just gonna take this concealer, conceal my eyes. And I'm gonna take my finger and I'm gonna rub it in. It doesn't matter, you could go all crazy, it doesn't matter, just have fun. Now I'm gonna take my airspun and I'm gonna set it. So I might be looking crazy, but don't mind me. It's all about the makeup, guys. So we're gonna be doing a quick and easy look, okay? So first thing I'll be doing is I'll be taking this little brush. I'll be using this shade and then this shade and then the darker shade. So you guys can see, I'll just keep on adding the shadows. So I'm gonna take the brown. So now I'm going in with the dark brown. And I'm just gonna put it all over my lids. So that eye is done. Let me do the other eye off camera, and I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, as you guys can see, the two of my eyes are done. So a little tip, what I did was I took this orange looking shade here and I just topped off the excess, and I took that shade and I put it above, like literally above the brown, like this, and I made this beautiful color here, as you guys can see. I'm just gonna blend out the edges a little bit more. So now I'm gonna do my foundation. Okay guys, so for my foundation I use this brush and I use the LA Colors Truly Matte Foundation, and I mix these two to get my skin color. So first I go in with warm caramel and then I go in with cafe. So I take a few pumps, and I mean a few little pumps of this warm caramel, and I apply it to my face. fix this and I'm gonna be right back, guys. Okay guys, as you guys can see, I've applied one foundation and I'm looking hella orange. So now I'm gonna take that. Oops. Now I'm gonna take that coffee and I'm gonna take a few little bumps just to brighten up my face.
And give my face color. Because girl, we need color in this bitch.
Mash up my mind, you are forget decline, oh Lord, my baby is driving me crazy. You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You have me suicidal, suicidal. You say it's over, damn all these.
Done. I'm gonna do my eyebrows off camera and I'm gonna be right back. Okay guys, as you guys can see, my eyebrows are done. I'm just gonna take my, where is it? I'm just gonna take my eyebrow brush and I'm gonna go over my eyebrows one more time with
You're way too beautiful, girl. That's why it'll never work. You have me suicidal, suicidal. When you say it's over, damn all these beautiful.
and I'm gonna set my entire face. But the trick to the airspun is I literally use a little bit, like I mean that much, and I do this.
They say it's over, damn all these.
I'm gonna highlight my eyebrows. I'm gonna use this palette and I'm gonna put it right here, guys. So I'm gonna take some of that same highlighter, this one, a little bit, and I'm gonna put it in my tear duct. Okay, so for contouring, I'm gonna use liquid contour. I have a little bit here.
If I was a rich girl, na 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 na. Say I have all the money in the world. If I was a wealthy girl.
So after contouring my nose and my jaws, I'm gonna take some of this red color here, this, and I'm gonna tightline my waterline. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna set my face and then I'm gonna add highlight to my cheeks or whatever. So my face is drying, so before I reach drying point, I'm gonna take some highlight. This is like my whole and my most favorite highlight that I have. So now I'm gonna highlight my nose and my tear duct.
Pretty things for no money, could no buy no license, no base. If I was a rich girl.
So hey guys, this is the finished look. This makeup look was so easy and so quick. I basically only used this transition shade, this brown, and this gray shade with this reddish shade here. So you can easily do that. All you have to do is blend out your shadows and you're okay. Foundation was quick, everything else is quick. The only thing that took me really long was my eyebrows, and my eyebrows are so, takes me forever. But if you guys want like a quick eyebrow tutorial, if you want that, comment down below. I can do that for you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on all my social media platforms. The links are in the description bar down below. So with that said, thank you for watching my little runners. See you next time.